Brittany has the hiccups. Holla if you hear her.
7 drinks in 30 minutes. Oh, 25 cents a drink. And this is Swiper.
Him is the puppy.
Swiping and swiping.
Swiper. Swiper knows swiping.
Did he jump on my bed or did you put him on my bed? He's supposed to be on my bed.
I got him on the bed.
Why are you on my bed?
Because
You trying to swipe my bed.
him.
Swiping, no swiping. Swiping, no swiping. Swiping, no swiping.
Brittany,
What?
how much did you drink tonight?
7 drinks in 30 minutes. Oh wait, I had another one after that too. So that's 8 drinks in probably 35 minutes.
You have the hiccups.
Have you, Bobo, quit. Swiper, quit. What's his name?
His name is Swiper.
Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Oh, he's swiping.
Hey, puppy.
Bobby, get ready. Go get ready. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Go get your toy. Go get your toy.